Hello everyone, today brings the unpacking video 114 SK500 excavator kit version. Next, let us unpack the box. At present, we see the manual, cab interior installation instructions. Display can be upgraded. LCD display, need to buy separately. Next is our SK500 excavator manual. Pair with 2 crystal stickers. Next, open the first layer. Excavator platform bottom plate. Excavator platform cover. An overview of the display. For specific details, please contact us. Next, the second layer. Mounting screws. Electronic accessories and standard parts. Exquisite metal drive wheel. ESC cooling fan. More electronic accessories. Exquisite rotary drive motor. A set of cab interiors. An overview of the display. For specific details, please contact us. Next, open the third layer. Precision hydraulic station. Platform counterweight block. Standard bucket. Platform backhoe, X-frame, integrated assembly. Metal simulator track. Battery holder. An overview of the display. For specific details, please contact us. If you are interested in this SK500 excavator, you can contact us to order him.